Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. I've got a plan with me which is June the 26th to the 2nd of July. I'm using the Dreamland kit from ThePlumpPlanner, as well as hollow and silver foil from various shops. I've got Laura's Sticker Co, Josephine Bow Designs, and a few other random pieces. So this is the kit and all the foil I have. I have some foil, silver foil underlays from Harriet Wright Designs, which I am going to use. I'm going to add some music and then I will be back for the day by day. So this is all the base laid down. I love how that double box looks there at the bottom. So we are going to start with Monday, and first for Monday, as always, I have to mark Coffee Monday. So I have a cup and saucer sticker and a Coffee Monday script from Planner Face. Next for Monday, I received a PR package, so I've got a parcel sticker from Happy Bees, and then I also received some Happy Mail, so I have this Shine Sticker Studio sticker. I did some laundry, so I've got some foil stickers from the Honeybee shop, so if you see any foil stickers, that's where they're from. And the laundry sticker is from Planner Face. The Disney Mickey Mouse ears are from the Honeybee shop, and I use these to mark that I uploaded my planner spread to Instagram. The planner spread script and the Plan With Me script are from Planner Bow, and the laptop is from Planner Face. Moving on to Tuesday, I used this pillow from Happy Bees to mark I had a lie-in. I forgot to pick out a sticker for the next bit, but that was to mark that I had a Riverdale catch-up. I then filmed my kit lineup and had a scroll on TikTok. Moving on to Wednesday, I had a giveaway prize come through the mail. This nail polish sticker is from Planner Face, and I added some stuff to carts ready for when I get paid. I used this bow to mark that I uploaded my kit lineup, and then I had a Plan With Me binge. Moving on to Thursday, I used this Every Minute Story Happy Mail sticker to mark that I had PR from Skin Proud, and I used a foil shopping sticker and shop script to mark that we did some shopping. I used this sticker from Planner Bow to mark that I uploaded the kit for the week on Instagram. I missed the next box. I had to put a sticker for snacks. And then I have a TV sticker to mark that I watched a programme. I then used the Mickey head stickers again to mark that I had a chill day, and a phone from Happy Bees, I think, to mark that I had a TikTok scroll, and another Mickey head to mark that I did some social media content. My sticker haul went up this day, and then I had a Twilight movie night. Moving on to Saturday, I used an envelope from Planner Face to mark that I had some Happy Mail, and a Mickey head to mark that I filmed a plan with me. I uploaded a post for Your World of Colour and then used a Every Minute a Story cleaning sticker to mark that I cleaned. Moving on to Sunday, I used a Coffee Monsters Co. Instagram emoji to mark that I posted did some Instagram pictures. I used a Mickey head to mark that I did a voiceover. I had a shower, and lastly I had a YouTube binge. So this is the spread all finished. If you would like to know in depth what stickers I use, they'll be linked below, or they will be tagged when I upload it to Instagram. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.